In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power of Python using this Python program I created that will let the user call out commands to the computer, and the computer will use voice recognition to understand what the user wants, and then automates. There are many attributes to my program, but for this video, I will only be showing you the email attribute. Now let's get started. So right now, I will run this program and call out commands involving what I want them to do with my email. For example, send an email.
Commands on.
B12.
Commands on.
B12.
Commands on.
B12.
Commands on.
E15.
Commands on.
C13.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on.
A11.
Goodbye.
As you just saw, I opened my email, then I chose to send an email, then I can call out which subject I want, who I want to send it to, and what the content of the email. Then it will automatically send the email for us. Now, we use voice recognition, but what if at some places we have to be very quiet, or for any reason we cannot talk? There's another option, so I will run this program again. The other option is to enter in the numbers. So if we wait for a while,
Commands on. Buttons on.
If we wait for a while, we can input the button number. So I want to open my email. It's number 2.
Commands on. Buttons on.
I want to send an email, so it's button number 2.
Commands on. Buttons on.
I want to send that email to this email address, george@gmail.com. So it's button number 6.
Commands on. Buttons on.
I want the subject of my email to be Happy Halloween. So it's button 10.
Commands on. Buttons on.
You can see here they give us options for the content of our email, and it is also according to the subject we chose. So I chose the Halloween subject, so we get Halloween related content. I want Welcome to Monsterville, where monsters live. So it's button 4. Here you can see my address, the content, and the subject.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on. Buttons on.
And I want to exit this program, so it's button number 1.
Goodbye.
Now I will run this program one more time and show you a few other options. For example, we can manually input the address and subject and content and other things. Let's just have a look.
Commands on.
Open email.
Commands on.
Send email.
Commands on.
Type into. Now I can enter the email address. I want to send my email to netsedu88 at protonmail.com. You can see it's not listed here.
Commands on.
Type into. Here I can enter my subject. Let's say we are testing program. Now I can enter my text. Let's say, if you receive this, and I wrote that wrong. Now I press enter, and I wrote that wrong. That's okay.
Commands on.
Close program.
Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
Now, let's have a look and see if we received it. So just go to that email. You can see we received that email. Now let's click on it. If you received this message, the program was successful. And we did receive it, and it was successful. This program will also allow the user to easily transfer files with their email. So I'll run it one more time.
Commands on.
Open email.
Commands on.
Send email.
Commands on.
Type into. So I'll enter my email address.
Commands on.
L22.
Commands on.
C13.
Commands on.
X0. Here, I can choose a file to attach to my email. So I'll just I can choose any file. Over here I will choose, let's say, Halloween.bmp.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
Now I will check to see if I received it. Here I get that email. Let's see if the file is there. We have this file. I'll click on it. I can either download it or just open it. Let me just open it. Happy Halloween! I will run this program again. This time, I will choose a file from my list of files. We can easily add more files to that list.
Commands on.
Open email.
Commands on.
Send email.
Commands on.
Type into.
Commands on.
B12.
Commands on.
D14.
Commands on.
D14.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
Now, my email is still open. Let's see if we receive it. Maybe I better refresh this. Here we get this email. And we have this file attached to it. Let me just click on it. I will save it. I'll open the folder. It's saved here. Oops. Happy birthday with a beautiful cake. Now, just like before, if we don't say anything, they will allow us to input the button number. And for the part where we attach a file, if we don't input any number and press enter, they will simply not attach a file to our email. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, and comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. It's called NetsEDU. Today is March 16th, 2020. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, have a look at my other videos. They might help you into programming or math. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.